Yon. So, hello guys. Today, yeah, it's our day because we got a new lens. Actually, this lens, guys, it's the story of this lens. One customer gave us this lens for a free. So, thank you to, yeah, you know already. If you saw this video, thank you, sir. I got a new lens from the RF mount. So this lens is the Laowa 10mm f4. Yan, from Laowa. Again, it's a manual lens. It's a pancake lens, guys. It's too small, but it's manual. But okay. So actually, we're using now the Laowa 10mm f4 to show you how's the size of the Laowa 10mm f4. It's pancake. Yeah, that's pancake. It's manual. So, yan guys. So, now I have a new lens, RF lens, from the Canon. And, yeah, I have mic. Oh, yes, I have mic. Check, double check. Yes, we have a mic. And this is the 10mm Laowa. Actually, we have Laowa here, guys. In the AB world, we are selling also the Laowa brand or product. We have Laowa 24mm, which is this one. It's like a stick. I did a review on this also. Then we have Laowa Micro Four Thirds or Laowa Macro. Yeah, we have also Laowa Macro 190 Macro. And yeah, this is our Laowa. And again, thank you to Mr. You know already who are you, who gave us this Laowa 10mm f4. It's very nice. See? It's nice. Oh, see? I think it's less distortion, but I like the lens. It's good also for vlogging. See? Wow. Again, I'm very lucky and thank you for the lens. 10mm. Ayan. So, I think I will sold to, ayan, kasi may ano siya R50. So, ano, kunin mo na, sir. 50 lang. Ano? See, 10mm. It's very nice. It's very wide. See, you see Calamoni? You become thinner. So, use 10mm lens.
Yes.
See?
I become slim.
You become slim for the lens, oh. 10mm. Again, we will adjust. It's because it's manual focus. Awa yan, oh. So, again, this is the Laowa 10mm f4. Yeah, I like. So, with the Canon R50. Again, we're using the Canon R50 with the Laowa. Ayan, it's very wide. See? Kita niyo yung kamay ko. Like a fantastic man. Wow. Nagiging fantastic man, di ba? Kasi nga, it's very wide, 10mm. So, but it's perfect for the R50. Actually, this is RF mount. So, yan. Thank you kay Sir again. Meron tayong bagong lens. We have a new lens. A Laowa 10mm f4. So, kaya push na natin yung Canon natin. Maybe one day, gonna buy the Canon R50. Inshallah. Di ba? So, ayan. Panalo. I don't know if sharp or something, but let's check later after we edit the video. But I can see the screen, it's sharp. But I'm not sure. So, because it's manual lens, I need to adjust. Depends how far from the lens from me. So, yeah. I think that's it for today. I want to share only regarding the new lens that customer gave for me. The Laowa 10mm f4. So yeah, and again, if you want to check all the Laowa brands we have here in AB World, if you want to check on our website, www.abworld.com. So all the Laowa lenses is already available to the website. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Again, also Canon. We have Canon, I'm using Canon R50. And check all the Canon cameras that we have here in AB World. Yeah, I have here at the back all the RF lens, and even we have the 5D Mark IV. We have the 90 EF series line. We have 850D. We have, what else? 250D, yan. 250D, 850D, 5D Mark IV, 90D. Yan. R5C. Yeah, name it guys. Still, we have also here in AAB World. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, thank you kay Sir na nagbigay ng Laowa lens natin. So, yan. Thank you. So, panay tingin na ni Harvey. So, gusto niya nang bilhin. Talagang, ang ganda. Pancake na pancake, sir. Panalo kayo. Diba? So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you again. Check our website, www.abworld.com and mabuhay.